Hey guys, yes, I am still wearing the same red shirt. I've been wearing this shirt for quite a few days. As you guys probably know if you've been watching my videos, I've been wearing a red shirt. No one has said anything about me wearing a red shirt. I need to do laundry. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing laundry. But guess what? I am going home this weekend. When this video is uploaded, I have no idea. But I'm planning on doing a little bit of fishing. I'm going to do some things with family. I might record some of it, I might not. I have no idea, but drone footage will be happening. That reminds me, I do got to pack up my drone. So I'm just going to kind of like figure out where to set you guys, and then I'm just going to go through the process of getting ready to go home for a while, just so you guys can kind of, I don't know. No one's really asked me what my process is. So I'm just going to kind of put the camera down and, I don't know, talk through it. I have no idea. So, where can I put you guys? This is like some of the best views you guys get all day. I guess that works. Oh, I had to buy a new mic. So, went with the Road King Chrome because, well, it's chrome. Truckers like chrome, right? Since I am going to be taking my camera, I need to make sure I get my camera cord. And that's actually a clean shirt, but it's long sleeve. I need to get my backpack. This is got dirty clothes in there. That's not dirty. And there we go. So, that's ready to go. So that just goes right up here to the front. Get my Dr. Pepper up here. That doesn't need to go to the front, but it's there for right now. So yeah, I'm gonna take like 3 days home. I'm not sure how many videos I'm gonna do, but I will try to do some when I can. I might come back to the truck during my home time and do some cleaning. I don't know. I might just do that when I come back. But yeah, here's my laptop. I'm talking about my laptop. Man, it's been a minute since I've gone home. So, pretty stoked about going home. Walmart didn't quite want me to go home because they needed me, but they understood why I was going home. So that was nice. This is everything I need for my drone. That's the home. That's the car charger. Don't need the car charger, just need the home charger. So shove that in there. Drone, yeah, right here. When you're packing up the truck, you really need to try to do it in an organized manner, because if you don't, you'll forget things. So I don't have the batteries in here. This case here does not. This case comes with the DJI drone. Does not come with enough room in there for the batteries. So, okay, I got the batteries in there. Alright, perfect. Oh, this is the headset thing. There's like a $10 rebate, so I'm going to take that home too. So I get my free $10. And butt wedgie. Hairbrush. Yeah, I guess we'll take that. Got toothbrush and everything like that at the house. Food that needs to go to the trash. Always clean out your truck of food that's not going to be good when you come back. Alright, some people don't do that. I do it all the time. So, the bread I got left is going to go into the trash. I'm going to take this to the house and I'll feed it to the birds. So, yeah, that'll just go up there. Got some trash here. I am going to try to do my blankets while I'm home. So, I gotta grab all of that. These top sheets up here are clean, so I don't need to worry about those. But there's my electronics. That's done, except my camera's not in here. Not yet, anyways. I got some blank computer paper. This is for a video project I'm going to be doing soon. You guys will be seeing that video later. I haven't done it yet. And I don't have my clothes bag. Damn it! Alright. So this blanket right here is clean. I haven't really used it. It's just been kind of sitting down there, so I'm going to throw that up there. And then, just grab all this. Oh, yeah, that's dirty. That's a dirty shirt. So, since I don't have my clothes bag with me, that can go right there. I'm just going to make like a hobo kind of a package thing here. Just grab these four corners, and then, you know, there you go. Laundry bag and blankets all in one. Boom, done. So that would just sit there while I wait for my ride. Yeah. So put this back over here and this back over here so I don't forget them. And let me come back up here and get this thrown out. So yeah, there you go. Man, it's been a really, really long last few weeks. I've had the students that went haywire. I got a YouTube subscriber that might be jumping on my truck. He's talking to somebody. He hasn't called me back, so I don't know if he's going to be on my truck yet or not. But hopefully he will. He seems pretty cool. So hopefully I get a good student. I mean, I want to go try to make some money. Bought some new fishing gear. I'm going to try to see if I can get that to fit in my side boxes. So I might come up here with my PV and take out some stuff in the truck that I don't really think I need anymore. So I could fit some room for some fishing poles because, yeah, fishing poles are a beautiful thing. And I'm planning on going down to the beach soon. Somewhere in Texas, down at the Gulf Coast. So that would be a lot of fun. If I have anyone that watches my videos that's from that area, hey, hit me up. It'd be kind of fun. So yeah, I'm planning on doing that here in the next couple weeks. And of course, you guys will come along. I am planning on buying a GoPro, you know, so I can try to do some first-person view of parking and things like that. You guys, I have quite a few requests for that. But man, that camera is not cheap. So, as much as I hate to beg for money from you guys, but you know, I do have Patreon. It is, you know, the information is down in the description. If you guys can sign up, throw me a couple dollars a month, I'll be very, very thankful for it. It will help me out tremendously. I'll use that to upgrade my gear for, you know, better video quality. And it also, if you're joining Swift or if you already joined Swift, message me, hit me up. If my videos have helped you and that's the reason why you're joining Swift, please put me as your reference, okay? Or I'm the one who referred you to Swift. Because what happens when you do that, Swift pays me, okay? And that money really does help me and my bottom line for me to get to where I'm trying to get to. So if you're joining Swift, please use me as a reference. I highly appreciate that. So yeah, if you can do that, fantastic. Man, I feel like I'm saying a lot, but my videos, they're not scripted. They're very, very organic. So, yeah. So, I'm trying to think of what else to say. Because this is going to be a bit of a long video, because I am going to take several days off, and I might or I may not do video. So, you know, who knows. Oh, the investing. I made a video. I'm going to watch it when I'm home. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. If I do use it, then this part is kind of like not necessary. If I don't use it, then this part is going to be necessary. I'm going to be doing a set of videos for quite a while. And it's going to be talking a lot about business stuff. Not trucking as much. It's going to be business. Now, I'm still going to do trucking videos, okay? Don't get me wrong. But this is the next stage or the next level that I'm going to take myself to hit my financial goals that I want to be at. And what my plan is. Now, some of my videos may be coming out as me looking for investors. Now, if I have somebody who invests in my company from YouTube, that'd be great. If not, I ain't worried about it. I'm using my own money. So don't think I'm forcing or, you know, whatever, okay? But if you want to know more about investing in me, let me know, okay? And we can sit down and we can talk it out, or whatever the case might be. But I'm going to be doing a lot of videos talking about that, and, you know, we're going to put a bit of a game plan. I already have my game plan, but I'm going to kind of talk it out and help you guys think of things you can do with all the money you can make in trucking. Because at the end of the day, if you want to be a truck driver for 20 years, be a truck driver for 20 years. But you can make a lot of really, really good money in this type of work. And so if you invest that money smartly in one thing or another thing, you can be financially stable better than if you just blow your money, okay? So in that vein, we're going to be talking a lot about things like that. And hopefully I'll be hitting all my financial goals. But that is yet to be seen. Anyway, thank you for watching. I think you guys heard me blabber on long enough. I am kind of surprised there's as many people who do watch me. And for everyone that does watch me, I appreciate it so much. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. It's right over here somewhere. Also hit that like button if you like what I do. You know, it lets me know. And if you comment, I do try to reply to everybody that I can. Okay, so if you have a question, I will answer it to the best of my ability. But this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and catch you on the next one. And if you really like what I do, Patreon. Thank you. Later.